it's She back today with another video. So this is my kid and she's sleeping on the couch, and that's because she hates her bedroom. So Mackenzie's favorite color is blue, so when I decorated her room about 2.5 years ago, I just used different shades of blue and pink. As you can see, her room severely lacks storage. We desperately need places to store her toys and little odds and ends. I purchased this loft bed from Walmart. I thought it would be a great way to maximize the space in her room because her room is so small. I wanted her to have plenty of floor space for flipping and dancing, but she really just did not like sleeping up there. So what I decided to do was go ahead and list the bed and the couch for sale on OfferUp. I was happy that they sold within a couple days. I was able to take that money and work on a few of the things that you're going to see in this video. So the inspiration for her room is based on these pictures that I found on Pinterest. Kenzie's 9 now, and I really wanted her room to be a happy place that she really enjoyed, so I got lots of her input. We looked all over Pinterest and she found photos of rooms that she absolutely loved. Now that I had an idea of what she was looking for, I headed straight to Walmart to find a new pink color for an accent wall. Mackenzie was such a big help throughout this process. She really bossed me around. If you're like me and change your home decor up a lot, I highly recommend you use command strips. Make sure you get the appropriate size for whatever you're trying to hang. But when removing the artwork from the walls, it didn't leave any residue or marks behind. The walls were super clean, so I really love command strips. So next, guys, we started painting. This is the paint that we actually got from Walmart, and I got a flat finish because I wanted the accent wall to read like a chalkboard, if that makes sense. So it is a like dark navy blue, but when applied to the wall, it kind of looks like a chalkboard. So I wanted to have that playful element in her room. On the floor, we just took a shower curtain from the Dollar Tree and cut it in half, so we have that to protect our floors. This is the funnest part of painting, applying the painter's tape. It's absolutely necessary because what I like to do is just leave the edges clear, and so then I go back with painter's tape and I tape it all down and I just fill it in, and I always end up with super clean lines, so this method works best for me. So the very next morning we woke up bright and early, and what we had to do was clean the baseboards. And I know this is like one of Mackenzie's favorite things to do, but it's like absolutely necessary. Because her bed was here for so long, these baseboards kind of got neglected. So she used some of this awesome cleaner, sprayed it along the baseboards just to wipe away some of the dirt and dust. And this stuff really works miracle, guys. The baseboards looked pretty clean, but I decided to go ahead and repaint them anyway. Rainy and ugly outside today. So anyway, this is the blue wall. We finished it, and guys, I had to go back and tape the whole ceiling because the walls were previously painted gray like 3 years ago, and I didn't realize I did such a sloppy job. So I used some painter's tape to tape along all the ceiling. Her bunk bed used to be here, so there was like footprints on the ceiling, so we touched all that up. So the problem that I experienced now was I didn't know which which gray I actually used for Kenzie's room. So you see I tried to do a little bit of touch up and the paint doesn't match. So I have like 2 cans of silver. I'm gonna be trying to figure out what color it is. I know going forward I definitely have to mark the cans with which room and all that stuff. But Over here, I painted some touch-up paint and it appears to match, so we're just waiting for that to dry to see. Just enough paint to go back and like touch up all these little mistakes that I made. So guys, it dried, it matches, so I put a little bit of water in here and stirred it up. And so this color is called Silver Screen, and it's a color place paint. Working hard, got paint everywhere. Look at thumb, you don't cut that thing off. So this is Mackenzie's rug we got from Amazon. What do you think, Mackenzie?
I hate it.
You hate it?
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean you hate it?
You
know how hard I worked on picking this out? Why do you hate it?
You wanna know why I hate it?
Why?
Because I love it! I love it! I love it! I love it!
Oh my God.
I love it! I love it! I love it! I love it!
I think it's gorgeous. Yeah, I'm glad you like it. I think it's very pretty. Only thing I'm regretting now is that I didn't get the 8x10. The 8x10, this is a 6x9, I think. So 8x10 would have been just huge, took up the whole floor.
Oh.
So next, me and Mackenzie put together her bed platform. This platform is 12 inches high. I purchased it from Amazon for about $56. And it was just really simple and easy to put together. We got it put together in about 30 minutes. What I like most about it is that it's very lightweight. So whenever Mackenzie needs to make her bed or maybe access something underneath it, she's able to easily move the bed so it's not heavy at all. And the center bars that have the white strips on them are actually non-slip tape. So it's nice, you don't have to worry about the mattress sliding all over the place. The tape really helps to keep the mattress set in place. So this is what we have in her room so far. Accent wall turned out beautiful. Just need a little bit of advice, guys. Either thinking about getting the 95 length so they could go from the ceiling to the floor. Those are $58. And then the ones that are 84 inches, which will go from the window to the floor, those are only $26. And they are a navy blue ruffled curtain, so pretty. Sucks waiting for people to like come do stuff for me because I hate waiting for people to come do stuff for me because if it was up to me, this hammock chair would have been hung up yesterday. That's Mackenzie doing something weird. What do you guys think about this dresser? So this dresser I've actually had for a few years. It used to be in my room. I went ahead and I painted the top the same navy blue color as the wall. And so me and Mackenzie were thinking about painting the whole thing blue and then outlining it in yellow because she says she wants more yellow in her room. Then guys, we have the issue of lighting. I'm thinking about calling Phil to get a light fixture installed. That way we don't have to have a lamp in here. And then we need some toy storage ideas. So this is just like teddy bears and miscellaneous crap, but I hate looking at it. And then over here we have her laundry. So I would like some laundry and toy options for storage where you can't see what's inside of it because I feel like that helps to make a room look a lot cleaner. Back to this side of the room, we're still waiting on her headboard to arrive. Once that comes, we'll be able to hang up the rest of the artwork. We're going to be changing out the knobs on her desk and also probably painting the desk drawers. Also need a bed skirt idea, so you guys can send any of your ideas for her room to my Instagram at Mizfashionablylate. But I will see you guys in the next video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. That way you guys will be notified as I post more video updates of her room. Also, please leave your thoughts, comments, and suggestions down in the comment section below. We have so much more to come. And thank you for watching. Bye.